Hello friends, this is Likith. First of all, thank you for visiting my channel. Can you find any 2-digit number square in 5 seconds? If not, this video is for you. If you are new to the channel, subscribe my channel and press the bell icon so that you will get the notification of such tips and tricks. So, to find the any square from 1 to 100, that is any 2-digit squares, first of all, you should know basic about 1 to 9 squares. You should know the values of 1 to 9 square. I hope you know these values, but let us once recall it. 1 square is 1, 2 square is 4, 3 square is 9, 4 square is 16, 5 square is 25, 6 square is 36, 7 square is 49, 8 square is 64 and 9 square is 81. Okay, so we should find the 2-digit number square by a trick. Actually, in so many competitive exams, we don't have the time to solve these squares. So in such cases, these tricks are very useful. So first of all, to examine this trick, let us take an example of simple 2-digit number 11. So 11, this is a ones place and this is a tens place. First of all, the steps should be followed is, first of all, take the tens place. Here the tens place is 1 and square it. We already know that 1 square is 1. So 1. But we are not supposed to write in single digit. Here one of the rule is we should not supposed to write in the single digit. So we will write 0 1. If we are having 4 square is 16. Then we are supposed to write 16 because 16 is the 2-digit number. So 1 is a single digit number, so we are supposed to write 0 1. And next, second step is choose the ones term and also square it. So here also we get the 0 1. And the third step is multiply in this manner. 1 into 1 into 2. 1 into 1 into 2 is 2. Actually, here we should leave the ones place here. We should leave the ones place and we should write the 2 here. Then we will get that 121 0. But 0 121 is 121. Okay. 11 square is 121. So let's take another example to examine this trick. How this trick works. Let us take another example of let us take a random number 34 square. We want to find 34 square. To find the 34 square, first of all, choose the tens digit term. Tens digit term is 3 here. So 3 square is 9, but it is a single digit, so we are supposed to write 0 9. And second step, choose the ones digit term and square it. 4 square is 16. It is 2-digit term, so we can write 16. And the third step is multiply all these numbers. That is 3 4 ja 12, 12 2 ja 24. But we should not write in this place. We should leave the ones digit term and we should write 24. 3 4 ja 12, 12 2 ja 24. So simply add it. Then we will get that 6, 5 and 11. 6, 5, 11. 1056. 1156 is the answer for the 34 square. Okay. For your better understanding, let's take another example. Don't quit now. Watch till end for the best results. So let's take another example of 78. 78 square. So step 1 is take the tens digit term and square it. Tens digit term is 7 here and the square of 7 is 49. 49. And second step is choose the ones digit term and square it. 8 square is 64. Okay. And third step is 7 into 8 into 2. 7 into 8 into 2. 7 8 ja 56, 56 2 ja 112. So leave the ones place and write 112. and simply add it. So we will get that 4, 8, 10, 6. 6084 is the value of 78 square. The value of 78 square is 6084. So the last example which we consider is the last 2-digit number. Let's find the value of last 2-digit number square by this method, 99 square. We want to find the 99 square. So first of all, choose the tens digit term, that is 9 square is 81, and again 9 square is 81, and then 9 9 ja 81, 81 2 ja 162, but we are not supposed to write in the ones place, so we are supposed to write here 162 and just simply add it. Then we will get the result of 9801 is the value of 99 square. The value of 99 square is 9801. Okay, to find this trick, first of all we want to know about 1 to 9 squares. After if we know the 1 to 9 square, we can easily find this trick. I will repeat this trick once. First of all, choose the tens digit term and square it. We will get a value. If we get the single digit value, we want to suppose to write 0 and 1 or 0 4 or 0 9. And second step is write square the value of ones digit. Ones digit is 81, and third step is 9 into 9 into 2, that is 162 and 162. We are not supposed to write in the ones place, under the ones place, leave the one under the ones place and write 162 and add it. Simply we will get the value of 99 square. I hope you love this video, so hit the like button and subscribe my channel and press the bell icon. Thank you. Keep smiling. Bye bye.